I just moved into my Berkeley apartment. This is my bed and I share this room, and that's why I'm being kind of quiet. But if you're wondering what happened here, I went snowboarding yesterday and I fell on my face and it's quite swollen, so I'm gonna be putting this ice pack around my head in a bit, and it's not a cute look, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I have a photo shoot tomorrow and I'm hoping this won't swell too much the next day. But anyways, today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day video. Really excited. I think I'm gonna go outside and make some banana muffins and share them with my new housemates. So this is some real hot girl shit. Of all people, this would happen to me. So here I'm using some frozen bananas, and these are perfect for making banana bread because they've already kind of rotten and they work perfectly when you put them in the microwave for just a couple seconds. And I'm also using this pot to mix my batter because I did not bring a mixing bowl to school, and you gotta do what you gotta do to make banana muffins. I'll link this recipe down below, and I actually didn't even end up using the butter, mostly because I forgot, but also it turned out really great without it, so I think it's definitely worth trying and it can make it a little bit more healthy. And here's how they turned out. I think they are very, very puffy because I substituted baking soda for 4 times the amount of baking powder, so they got real puffy, but they're really, really good. Now it's time to work out, so I went on my balcony and I did a Lily Sabri workout for Pilates since I'm still recovering from yesterday's intense snowboarding session. My chin's kind of throbbing. Hey guys, I just finished my Lily Sabri core and Pilates workout. It was really good and I really like this balcony setup. Beautiful view. I don't know if you can see, I'll show you in a bit the view of SF from this balcony. It's awesome. But I'm just stretching out now because I didn't really do that yesterday after snowboarding, and that probably wasn't very good for my body either. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit, but really enjoyed this workout today and my new setup. It's kind of hard to see, but over there behind that building is SF. And always remember to stretch out your muscles after working out. It will definitely help you loosen up and keep flexible as you get older. Now it's lunchtime, and for lunch I had some leftover Thai curry with some spinach, and this is something really simple I like to do. Just add more veggies by just putting them on top of my bowl and then microwaving it, and they kind of just cook in the microwave. And here I am having my 3rd banana muffin of the day. It was freaking fire and I plan on eating some more. So this meal single-handedly was probably a full day worth of calories, but it was so yummy. We had kimchi garden and then also did a wine night and other snacks, so delicious. Highly recommend. I was supposed to go cycling. God. I was supposed to go cycling today, but got canceled due to the wind, and yet I'm still running. So I'm just gonna do a run up this hill and then go back down to my apartment. Because I also forgot my mask, which is not good. But peace. So that's a pretty uneventful eating day. I just had a barbecue chicken and spinach for both lunch and dinner. I had some snacks in between, which were really good as well, but didn't include it. Hey guys, today I think I'm going to do some leg strengthening and some ab strengthening. I'll link the videos down below, but check it out. I think I'm going to be probably doing some Lily Sabri workouts. It'll be really great. So I ended up doing a boxing workout for Lily Sabri and then also a Pamela Rive abs workout. Both were really good. I really like Pamela's 15-minute abs. It's freaking fire. It kills me every time. Here's a super easy recipe that I always make at school. It's egg and spinach quesadillas. Just take some cheese, some eggs, some spinach if you want to be a little bit more healthy, but super easy, super cheap, and it takes like 5 minutes. 예전엔 도망쳤지만 오늘은 같이
같이 있어줘야 될 것 같아서. 왜?
So I have this classic banana snickerdoodle recipe that my friend actually shared with me, but this time I didn't have a cookie tray, so I had to bake them in a muffin tin. So they turned out a little bit puffier, and they were kind of crossover between a cookie and a muffin, but they were still really good. And I also have the recipe except for the baking powder, so yeah, if you want to turn a cookie recipe into a muffin recipe, that is something you can do. The cookies turned out a little stickier than usual, so they were kind of hard to get into the pan. You can see me struggling here from the pot to the pan. This is some very janky baking, but it was still really fun. But overall, I just love sharing baked goods with my friends. It's so nice to deliver to people and see them be really excited for it. And yeah. No problem. So my parents always buy me this Asian salad, and it's so good. It's from Costco. It's really cheap, and it's just so easy to prepare. And I just add it on to any meal that I don't feel is substantial enough in the greens. Yep, and you guessed it, I'm gonna have another spinach, egg, and cheese quesadilla for breakfast. I think it's just like such an easy staple, and honestly, it tastes so good to me. I could have it every single day for the rest of my life, probably. I forgot to film it earlier, but I actually went to Trader Joe's and picked up some snacks for tonight. But now I'm just doing some abs at home and some arms to finish off my workout. I am a fiend for Trader Joe's snacks, especially like chocolate stuff. Oh my god, I could eat so much of this and still not be satisfied. This bag of milk chocolate mini pretzels is like my haven, but also my biggest weakness. So my friends and I, for working out today, we went to Cycle Bar. They have this promotion right now where it's 3 classes for $10, which I think is a really good deal. I finally got first place in the class, which is obviously not like the most important thing, but I really pushed myself this class and I burned like over 500 calories in 45 minutes. So I think it was like a really fun experience and also a great workout. So for dinner, we had SLIVER pizza, which is an iconic Berkeley staple. We had this like pesto potato one that was really good. I would highly recommend you go try it out whenever they have that as a pizza of the day. And then we also baked chocolate chip cookies, which were freaking fire. So a super healthy breakfast this morning. More chocolate chip cookies. They were just like too good and they were calling me, so I just had to. They're like the most delicious thing. My friend is trying to study become bigger and it's really paying off because I get to eat all of it. One part that I hate about this week was that I had to always clean my wound and put a band-aid over it before I like worked out, and I feel like every time I worked out, like the wound got a little bit worse and like more infected. But here's me cleaning the wound, so enjoy me suffering for like a minute. The good news is, after like a week, I feel like it finally has healed for the most part. I'm hoping that it doesn't get more infected or anything in the near future, but I think we're good for now. It was a pretty major struggle of this week, but we got through it. Here's my hiking fit. Not very cute, but I need to do laundry today. I have no more workout clothes. I'll finish off this week with a nice hike on the fire trails. This hike only takes about an hour, but it's like pretty tough and a great workout and amazing view.